Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 205. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now select swipe, next PIN, now password, and in the end let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can set up face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.